Welcome back, guys. In this video, I'm showing you how to make a refreshing and creamy Soursop Yoghurt Smoothie with a tropical twist. It's a delicious, healthy drink that's super easy to make and perfect at any time of day. Started by peeling and chopping a large pineapple, which gave me quite a lot to work with. I'll be using a quarter of it for this smoothie and the rest will go towards an after-school snack for the kids. Here's my youngest with the pineapple. He's a big fan of fruits, bananas, grapes, berries, you name it, he loves it. Yum, yum, yum. Yeah, that's my boy. I'm saving the pineapple skin in the fridge to make a hibiscus drink later. It's a family favorite. If you'd like a tutorial on that, let me know in the comments. Here's me cutting and deseeding the soursop a few days ago. I've kept it in the fridge and snacked on it throughout the week. Removing the seeds is pretty easy. Soursop is packed with nutrients that support your immunity, digestive health, and are high in antioxidants. Think of antioxidants as rust protectors for your body. Just as rust can slowly corrode metal, free radicals can damage your cells over time, leading to illness or disease. Factors like a poor diet, smoking, pollution, stress, and even excessive sun exposure can contribute to the formation of free radicals. Antioxidants act like a protective coating to prevent the rust or damage and helping your body function smoothly and healthily. After blending, I check the consistency. I'm aiming for a medium thick smoothie. It's a bit too thick for my taste, and I like a little extra tang, so I add a squeeze of lemon. After tasting again, I blend it just a bit more and perfect. Smoothies are amazing for you and your immune system. They're chock full of vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber. As long as it's blended whole fruit and vegetables and you're not adding in more sugar in the form of honey, maple, or agave, then yes, they're great as part of a healthy, balanced diet. Next, I add Greek yogurt, which gives it a creamy texture and a touch of extra tanginess, which I love. The probiotics in Greek yogurt promote gut health by supporting the growth of healthy bacteria. After mixing, it's ready to drink. My 9-year-old and I enjoyed a glass and a half each. I love how this turned out. It's a perfect balance of sweet tanginess, heat from the ginger, and creaminess from the yogurt. I'm calling the smoothie Tropisop. But what name would you give it? Let me know in the comments. And if you'd like to see more tutorials like this, let me know in the comments. Until the next video, stay well and be blessed.